Hello, I'm going to show you this Chausson campervan today, and this is the V594M 6-meter campervan. Comes at a cost of 54,000 euros. Actually, they're claiming a base price at 48,000. Claims to be able to sleep as many as 5 people. That, I think, is a bit of an exaggeration. But as you can see, it can manage 4, unless you put 3 in one bed. You can actually convert the bit at the front as well to a bed. Right, now double bunk beds at both sides. Well, it's going to be a real squash, but I mean, I suppose if you're in the same family, you can of course take the beds out if necessary. Sorry, I forgot the lights. So walk around my own vehicle without any lights on. And does that help much? Not entirely. They have to actually put the lights on in some cases because they've got these external things. Anyway, in here we have a very nice, very large toilet. I mean, for a 6-meter campervan, yeah, that's a really good job made. Very good job, very good job. That's definitely worth a prize. Well, not entirely, because there's another sliding door here. Then 2 burners, sink here, storage in the kitchen block. As you can see, there's a net up there to stop things flying out for you might put in the rear. Fridge, and this color, this gray, is something that Chausson has just introduced. If you like it or not, well, and if you don't like it, then you can get a different color. Good. Not much more to say about it. Fly net in the door. We'll come to the back, have a look at this. Now, there aren't many vehicles with double bunk beds, but it's not entirely unheard of. Obviously, Roller Team, Challenger, Benimar, they're all the same. It's made by the same people and often in the same factory as well. Let's open this thing here up. There you see one gas cylinder, and here we'll find space for another gas cylinder. How often do you see that? There you go, look at that. That's odd. Lashing straps in the garage, pretty basic, but hey, probably does the job. Okay, thanks for watching. Hope you found that interesting. Lots more such vehicles on this channel.